I mean, Michael's a good guy. He does everything right.
That's rare.
Yeah, but he's not the one you lose sleep over. He's the one you keep just as backup.
That's smart.
I'm serious. If things don't work out with Tony, I'm not starting from zero. Exactly. Always have something to fall back on. Michael is a secured bag already. He's not going anywhere. That's the kind of man you keep on standby. I already did.
I am a backup plan now. I need to cancel a reservation. Michael Turner, Ritz-Carlton Laguna Niguel, Friday check-in. Yeah, I understand the fee. Go ahead.
Cancel 2 tickets. Delta, Austin to Orange County, Friday morning.
I can help with that. It's done.
Credit is fine.
Confirmed. You're all set.
Next is to remove her card from my account. No more access to my money. Let's see who the backup plan is. To think I was even planning our 3 years anniversary trip. I better spend my money on myself alone. Woohoo! This is awesome! Yeah, let's go faster! Haha, what a rush! I've got it!
Nice spike!
Set it up!
I got it!
Here it comes! Yes, point!
Why am I getting emails that everything is canceled?
Because I canceled it.
The trip? Are you serious right now?
I am done being your backup plan.
What do you mean? Where is this coming from?
I heard everything. Quit the pretense.
Michael, please, let me explain.
There's nothing to explain.
You're twisting it.
You said if he doesn't work out, you still have me.
That's not how I meant it.
That's exactly how it sounded.
Oh my God, that's just girl talk.
Then find a guy who accepts that kind of talk.
You're overreacting.
No, I am refusing to be a pawn in your game.
This is petty. A real man wouldn't do this.
A real man wouldn't stay with someone who sees him as a backup.
You need to grow up, Mike, seriously. I am disappointed in you. You should know better.
You picked your first option. I removed myself as the second. You shouldn't have a problem with this.
Michael, you hung up? You're blowing this out of proportion.
Am I?
Yes. Women talk like that. It doesn't mean anything.
It meant enough for me to leave.
A woman should never put all her eggs in one basket.
Then don't expect me to be the basket.
You're letting pride ruin this.
No, I'm refusing to be her insurance.
Jasmine has options.
Then she should go explore them.
You should be grateful she even chose you.
She didn't choose me. I went for her and picked her.
You're being disrespectful.
You call this disrespect because she is pretty? What does she bring to the table?
Do you know how many richer men want her?
Then she should go to them. I want my peace.
I see. My daughter is not cheap.
I didn't say that. Never did. You're still in my house. I'm being polite. Leave and never come back.
You'll regret this.
I am sick and tired of being the backup plan. Since she chose the Tony guy over me, then she should leave me alone. All I ask is for my peace to be respected.
You know, you're too serious sometimes.
And you're a flirt.
You love it.
I do. I love everything about you.
Good, you're stuck with me.
Tony, so it is true. I can't believe I fell for you. You are despicable. We need to talk about this now.
We will talk later.
No, we do it now.
Relax.
No, who is she?
Someone I see.
While you're with me?
I don't limit myself.
That's cheating.
I call it options, keeping the door open.
That's messed up.
It's practical. One woman isn't enough. You should understand that this is basic psychology.
No, I don't.
Men are polygamous in nature. I am not different.
I can't believe I fell for you.
You didn't fall for me. You fell for my money and fame.
That's not true and you know it.
You know I am saying the truth.
So you won't apologize?
No need apologizing over a sin I am ready to commit again and again.
Really? I can't believe I took you seriously. This is so unfair. Come with me.
What brings you to my house?
I messed up.
How is that my business?
I didn't think it would matter like that.
It didn't matter to you.
It does now. I have learnt my lessons.
Of course it does.
I want another chance.
For what? To be your safety net again, aka backup plan?
It won't be like that.
It already was.
I'm serious this time.
You were serious the first time too.
Please, Mike.
No. You don't get to test people and keep them. You wanted options. Now you have them.
I don't care if you are a born again or not. I am done with this.
What do you want me to do? I will do anything to have you back.
Anything?
Yes, anything.
I want you to just leave.
Michael, please.
Why? I made a serious mistake. I shouldn't have listened to my mother. I regret ever listening to her. Now I have lost Mike. I left a man who treated me like a queen for the one who treated me like trash. You look like you're either solving a problem or avoiding one.
A bit of both.
I was hoping you'd say that. Makes you more interesting than everyone else out here pretending to relax. Tourist?
Yeah, something like that.
Same. I was supposed to be here with friends. Decided I preferred my own company.
That usually means the friends were the problem.
Or I outgrew them.
That too.
I'm Layla.
Nice to meet you, Layla.
Michael.
So what does a man correcting his life do next?
Doesn't go backwards.
Good answer.
You look like you'd say yes to something impulsive right now.
Depends what it is.
Jet ski, sunset, no overthinking.
You always invite strangers to do that?
Only the ones who don't look like they need convincing.
Fair enough.
Or, we keep it simple. Put your number in. If you're still in that not going backwards mindset tomorrow, we'll see where it goes.
Don't worry, we will find you another man, a richer, more handsome one than Tony.
I am not getting any younger, Mom. I want to settle down and raise a family.
I know, dear. We will find him.
Come on, you are just 29. You still have time to enjoy the world.
I am not a baby anymore. I am done listening to your gospel. There is more to life than just who has what.